Hey there, Dr. Jeremiah Sample from Family First Chiropractic, and I'm here to talk to you today about sleep positions you can utilize for a pain-free morning. All right. Right now in the U.S., more than $50 billion is spent annually on sleep aids and remedies, so it's a big issue. Let's get the bad one out of the way first, okay? What I'd call the Captain Morgan position. You're laying flat on your stomach, head's cranked to one side, all right? One leg straight, one leg bent all the way up, like in this position. If you think about that, you've now spent 6-7 hours with your neck cranked to the side, putting pressure on those vertebrae, on those discs, and on, more importantly, on the nerves as they exit, okay? So what we want to think about is how to lay so that our neck, head, and back stay in alignment here on the side. So find a pillow that's big enough to support your head. That way, everything remains in alignment. You can also put a pillow between your legs, take pressure off of that pelvic girdle. Okay? Now, if you prefer to sleep on your back, what you got to think about is, okay, I need a pillow that's probably smaller than this, because this one shoved my head forward. If you stay in that position, you put endangering stress on your cervical spine, thoracic spine. So grab a smaller pillow, just enough to account for the curvature in your neck. So lay back on this. Now my body's in alignment, all right? I can also put a pillow beneath my legs, which will relieve pressure on the abdominals and de-stress the low back, okay? Allowing you to wake up refreshed and ready for your day. If you have more questions about how to get better sleep for yourself or your loved ones, please comment below and we'll reach out to you.